The Galaxy S24 series isn't just another Samsung release, it's a bold statement, a declaration that Samsung is taking software updates and long-term support seriously like never before. For the first time in the company's history, Samsung promised 7 major Android and One UI upgrades, along with 7 years of security updates for the S24 lineup. This promise alone sets the S24 family apart from virtually every competitor on the market. It's not just about having a new phone. It's about investing in a device that stays relevant, secure, and capable for nearly a decade. But what makes the story even more fascinating is how Samsung rolled out the first 2 major software upgrades, and the ripple effects they had on Galaxy S24 users. Traditionally, Samsung has followed a predictable schedule for software updates. Typically, the company releases one big One UI update per year, shortly after Google unveils the latest version of Android. This annual cadence has worked well for years, giving users a steady flow of new features, UI enhancements, and security improvements. However, the Galaxy S24 series broke this norm entirely. One UI 7, the first major update for the series, arrived almost 6 months later than expected. This delay left many Galaxy S24 owners waiting far longer than usual for their first significant OS upgrade, a wait that tested patience, but also built anticipation for what was to come next. Then, in a surprising turn, Samsung shifted gears. To recover from the delay and realign its update schedule, the company released One UI 8 faster than ever before, making it the fastest One UI rollout in Samsung's history. This was not just a minor acceleration. It was a statement that Samsung was serious about keeping its devices updated efficiently. Google played an important role here as well, actively helping Samsung streamline its development process as part of a larger initiative to speed up Android releases. Starting with Android 16, the collaboration between Samsung and Google highlights a significant shift in how Android updates are managed, ultimately benefiting end users by getting new features into their hands much sooner than before. 2 down, 5 to go because of this rapid recovery. The Galaxy S24 series received 2 major OS upgrades in a single year, something unprecedented for Samsung. Normally, Android users have to wait an entire year between major updates, so this accelerated pace is a huge deal for those who want the latest features, optimizations, and security improvements without the wait. But with 2 updates already delivered, the question naturally arises: what happens next? Looking ahead, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, S24 Ultra, and S24 FE still have 5 major OS upgrades remaining. Samsung fans are eager to see whether these updates will adhere to a predictable yearly schedule. The hope is that One UI 9 and the updates that follow will arrive on time, avoiding the delays seen with One UI 7 and providing a smoother experience for device owners. A consistent update schedule is more than a convenience. It's a signal of reliability in the modern smartphone landscape. That consistency can make the difference between a good device and a great one. Before One UI 9 officially arrives, Samsung will also roll out One UI 8.5, a mid-cycle update. While it isn't a full OS upgrade and will remain on Android 16, it is packed with noteworthy improvements. These include significant UI refinements, new usability features, and enhancements that elevate the overall Galaxy experience. Among the highlights, Galaxy AI on One UI 8.5 will allow users to mix and match different images, creating a more personalized and creative experience. Additionally, a new Now Brief YouTube card will enhance the app experience, providing quicker access to relevant content and smarter recommendations. Features like these may seem incremental, but in the day-to-day usage of a smartphone, they can dramatically improve efficiency, convenience, and enjoyment. What makes the Galaxy S24 lineup truly remarkable is not just the speed of these updates, but the combination of rapid software improvements, long-term security support, and innovative new features. Samsung is clearly committed to making the S24 family some of the most future-proof devices in its history. Whether you are using the S24 Ultra with all its flagship capabilities or the more budget-friendly S24 FE, Samsung's approach ensures your phone will remain secure, feature-rich, and competitive for years to come. In short, the Galaxy S24 series is redefining what it means to keep a smartphone updated. 2 major updates in 1 year? That's just the beginning. With 5 more upgrades to come, Samsung is raising the bar for Android updates and user expectations. The S24 family isn't just about hardware. It's about a software experience that grows and evolves with the user. And as we eagerly await One UI 9, it's clear that Samsung is committed to maintaining a fast, reliable, and innovative update ecosystem, making the Galaxy S24 series a true standout in the Android world.